Loughborough's pool and gym is some of the best training facilities in the world. So now that we're in lockdown and it's kind of, the pool's not too far away from me, but I can't go. It's difficult, and we don't have swimming pools in our back gardens. So I've been loaned a Wattbike and some, a rack and a bar and some really high quality weights. And we're really fortunate to be loaned things like that. So we've got kind of around us in my particular setup, we've got people like British Swimming, EIS, English Institute of Sport, and Loughborough Sport, and it's so good to have that now. Because otherwise I would be completely lost in my garden, in my garage, not knowing what to do. So I've got obviously my training bits and pieces to be getting on with, but then I've just just under a year ago moved into my house that I'm in now, and so I'm occupying myself with a lot of DIY projects, to be honest. I'm building things, taking a bit of woodworking on and seeing how that goes. I've improvised myself a bench to work with the barn, so effectively improvised a bench press with some solid, oak planks and some good bricks and supports and whatnot. And it took a bit of testing and improving to make sure it gets vetted by my S&C coach. But I think he'll let me use it a little bit. But it's kind of a weird one where the best thing to do now, we think, is to maintain and stay steady. And so to go hard now may compromises in the future. And so just being in a good place once we get back in the water and having the ability to bounce straight back into it. And so that come, let's say 12 months from now, where we're really coming into the final stretch towards the Olympic Games, everything is absolutely, as we would want it to be. That's kind of the goal. That's for me, the goal.